between 10th grade and 11th grade,
Yeah.
I top the class probably around 2 to 3 times.
You're like, there's no way.
No, Crooks, me top the class. Me top the class.
And this is...
Crooks, one time I top the class and my average was 68. Yo, big man. Crooks, I swear to God. Welcome to the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I am here with my co-host, Crooks.
Call them chop the line all the time. And no more can try to find that banger.
Damn.
Dum, dum,
Damn.
dum, dum,
Damn. If I know the strength of a banger.
How you think Shaggy feel about that?
I think Shaggy heard that song and died of laughter.
Probably. Shaggy's like them people that take my good song.
But it bad still.
Bad. Tough.
A good while now, I hear it still.
Yeah, I think that's been around for like a good minute.
Probably
I think
2-3 years.
Recirculate.
Mm-hmm. People, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you feel about the audio versions. You know, I've been trying to drop the audio the same time as the video now. Yes, so it's being distributed properly. So big up if you're listening to us from Spotify. Big up if you're listening from Apple Music. Wherever you're listening to your podcast, we are there. And if you're on YouTube, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Subscripts.
Now all I need to do is remember to do that.
Yes. We probably should do like a...
I might never do that again.
a thing. No, we need to do like a regular like recorded one.
If you just record that and just play that before everything.
Yeah.
Because clearly, I'm not going to forget. I'm not going to remember.
Yeah, so just interject it every time.
All right. So, just like I was correct, you know, Drake 3 albums, debuted 1, 2, and 3.
Top 3 by himself.
Mm-hmm. Nobody has ever done that.
So, do you think it's just that nobody else has tried to do it, or that it's like, is he the first one to do?
Yeah, I think nobody has ever tried to do it. Well, fact check, comments, make you know, but I think
like who else has dropped 3 separate albums at the same time?
That's what I said, but I think it's smart, you know?
Yeah.
Drake is just like the modern day Jay-Z, you know, dog.
True. I mean, like Jay-Z.
Yeah, like Jay-Z never did do something like this with like a telephone company.
He did something with like, was it Sprint or T-Mobile or one of them? The phone, the album just appeared. It was like the Magna Carta album.
Everybody gets it for free.
It just appeared on your phone one day. I think that did it too. What's that band? U2, I think, did it also. I think they might have done it before Jay.
Mm-hmm.
But Jay was trying to like finesse the game though.
Mm-hmm.
Jay was trying to like get like the platinum plaque for it. Because now 1 million people have the album.
Yep.
But it's like, yeah, it doesn't work like that. 1 million people didn't buy your album.
Oh, so it never worked like that?
Nah. I think they gave him and then they retracted after they like saw what happened. They're like, oh no, you can't do this.
Oh no, this I go against music.
Yeah, this is not how this works.
But yeah, just like how many predict. But in me and the dog them are reason what they are. And me know the people that gonna love this car. Comments, me know wanna do the same thing. How often you like switch up your Jamaican accent when you want to say something like bad to people?
Like switch to it or from it?
Switch to raw Jamaican.
I don't feel like I can cuss in any other way but Jamaican. I don't feel like I can cuss somebody like as like in a Yankee accent.
No, because I'm telling you, me have a Dutch style in me will like you see you not really speak American, you know. You just speak proper English.
Yeah.
So like I think you can mask my Jamaican accent more than you probably.
Yeah.
And my Jamaican accent sound deeper than yours.
Yes. So it's interesting because you would sound, I think you have more of a capability to sound American.
Yeah, I can do that shit easily. I know how to do that. That's not hard.
I just have to like talk slower and It's like this is just how I talk normally. And then somebody goes, "You sound like you have an accent, man. Where are you from?"
Yeah.
You know? It's like, oh yeah. Some little words will give me away.
I know me. I wonder why is it? Why? And then people would say it's like it's an uptown thing or it just depends on how you grow. Because I feel like most people we speak the patois when me talk, we don't have we not go proper English. We just go either yank or
there's no middle ground.
We not have a middle ground patois.
So my mom used to teach English.
Oh, you never have a choice.
So I didn't have a choice. Like, if I tried, it would just be like, no, that's not how. What is wa? What is wa? I want.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd have to like, she would correct me all the time.
That helped.
Yeah.
It helped because when you come a foreign, you have to know if you like mix it up. But I always realize most man grow like when me grow. When them come over here, it's like the man them just done with patois until they meet Jamaican people. It's like done with it.
I mean, it's a whole other thing. That's why I say even with me, some words, it's like specific words will give me away sometimes. You know
Me
what I mean?
too. Tree give me away all the time.
Tree, all right.
Yo, everybody else, you remember know? Yo, tree, you see the word for anything, no matter how good me I speak American.
Tree.
Make a time for me say tree.
So, for me, it's tree, and you see if there's ever a time when we need condensed milk. I didn't realize that there was like I'm saying condensed milk weird. Like I'm saying it Jamaican.
Yeah,
and they're like, no, it's condensed milk.
Never said
It's
that
like,
before.
What am I saying? It's like, you're saying condensed milk. Yeah, that's what you just, no, it's condensed milk. Condensed. So the O, I have to shorten the O as
Me can't do that. Me can't.
comfortable.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. You know what I mean?
Comfortable.
Vegetables.
Vegetable.
You know what I mean? It's like
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. But
Yeah, it's like certain letters you have to throw it out of some of the words. I feel like.
yeah. But can do that too for pick up like which part of Jamaica a man come from.
Yeah.
Like if you come from Westmoreland, you pronounce every word in a yesterday. Every letter in a yesterday, you pronounce everyone perfect.
Yesterday.
No, yesterday.
Really?
Every Westmoreland people. Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, you'll never hear yesterday from a Westmoreland person where I speak fast. And when it reaches that word there, them slow it down.
Because yesterday I was
and then continue.
Wow, I never noticed that.
Every time.
I never noticed that. I go look out for that now.
And if you come from Clarendon, you can't say smile.
Smile.
And Suniek. Yeah, man. Smile and Suniek.
My favorite used to be smooth.
Don't tell me that somebody out there says smooth.
Yeah, man. Nice and smooth.
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 Smooth is crazy.
Yeah, man. I've heard smooth a lot. There's a whole little nuances to them.
Yo. Gallop. Why I remember that word? Gallop.
Gallop.
Yeah.
I mean, there was a rhythm named Gallop back in the day.
Gallop. Go up. Gallop. I think people from Clarendon love said that man too.
That man. Instead of calling whoever name.
Yeah, that man. That man and him.
Him is the craziest.
There is no she.
There's no she, there's no her.
Yes, brother, you see outside at Kingston I said Andrew. And you see Kingston said Andrew and said Catherine.
Yeah, man.
The word she no exists outside.
Where am I going in a little skirt? Him in a what you talking about?
Him, brother. Me not lie. He used to catch me too. All right. See, me used to go you. A beer countryman used to live by my floor, brother. So me used to just find myself a chat like a countryman. That's why accent is so funny, dog. If you're there on certain people, you are gonna take time catch it, brother. Remember Bridget, my youth, more used to sit down, and he's a man who like love, look, and admire woman.
Yeah.
And the man would sit down, and the man would say, yo, you see when me hold him, I'm going put some, you see, him going ball, you see. You see when me just a tab him so. And as him, me just a ram him.
I was like, what?
Yo, Man, passionate, brother. I'm afraid for even like, why him? Me can't say, yo, why are me can't do that, brother, because the man just passionate.
Like, even interrupt what me I say right now, bro. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yo, go out and I come in here and see them, man, they mix up all beer juice, them, man, they say, yeah, man, he come cross tonight, you know. You see, when me hold him, I ball him over, him going ball tonight, you see? I say, yo, we are talking about a girl, you know.
Like, yo, brother, you need to learn your hers and she's and them something.
Oh, brother, hers and she's no count in a Jamaican vocabulary, right? Him.
Where that come from? Why is that even a thing?
Because you know, sometimes I really know him, them I say he, ing. Ing going ball, you see? Ing.
Ing.
Ngwen. Ben.
Ben is a interesting one.
Crazy part. Ben.
Ben Dago.
Ben is what? What it mean? What? Ben. It's like I was going.
Yeah, it's like I was.
It's like
I was.
It's an action. I know. Me know something like action. Me ben like I was going to.
Yeah.
I will.
But
me ben go. That no bang is crazy. No,
like how that even.
No, me I try. Yeah, for interpret bang. Bengo would that be? It's like me know if you use it, but me can't tell somebody
like
what
how
it
to describe like because I've heard bendago, which the da make it feel like it more past tense.
Exactly. I remember when. there's not only bang, you know. There's Wayne.
There is Wayne.
I mean Wayne want go, you know.
Yeah, me want go, but
brother, Wayne want is hey, have some police, yo. Hey, if you try to sit, yo, I'd probably true we speak it.
Yeah,
bro, they have no idea what is going on.
No, but it's
me Wayne want.
It's so ingrained. It's like it's just something that they've been doing forever. But no, like I don't think them know where it come from or why them even talk like that.
Wayne want is a crazy concept for use as a sentence. Me Wayne want him. Me Wayne want him.
That's like a future.
Exactly.
That's like eventually I'm going to want to do this.
I've been wanting to do.
Yeah.
So it's like a action.
Like a future action tense.
It's a future action verb.
It's like me want to go down there, you know, but
I've been wanting to.
Yeah.
Wayne want mean I've been wanting to. That's crazy. See we decoding patois.
Decoding patois right now. Big up all the traditional patois speakers. Do you think patois should be like an official?
I think it is now, bro. You know, see Tesla speak patois now.
I haven't heard it, but I've seen like tweets of people saying like, yeah, Tesla can talk patois.
Tesla out here talk patois. You never yet.
ChatGPT can talk patois.
Yeah, ChatGPT and then patois after.
So you know, there's which you know, like Harvard has a patois class.
That's a crazy elective to do.
Bro, hold on. Let me put it. I decided to look it up one day. There was a guy on Twitter that said he learned how to speak patois at Harvard. And I was like, what?
Him learn it good?
It sounded like he learned patois. Yeah, Harvard University, Jamaican patois, individualized study of Jamaican patois. Do you want to hear the introduction of the this is how the thing that sound.
My name is Genesee Johnson. I teach Jamaican patois, which is fluid language
Stop that.
at Harvard University.
That's not
That's
terrible. That's not terrible.
That's the teacher. That's who's teaching everybody.
Hey, get your check.
Hey,
Wayne want.
You know? I mean, I don't think she goes that
If you're gonna teach patois, you have to.
I don't think she go like country patois.
Cause you know there is patois where me never hear yet, you know. Yo, big man thing, dog. for the life of me, brother, me don't know what kind of Patois people are St. Elizabeth.
I was just about to say, bro, Senti Patois almost Bajan.
Brother, St. Elizabeth have a Patois where the Patois they not come out yet.
I can't come. So I think with
I come.
I think Senti. I think what the issue is Senti is that the Patois is so raw, but also it's almost like everybody have like a stutter.
So it's like it's like the man them a smooth stammer.
Yeah. So it even feel like they're stammering, but they kind of are. 'Cause, you know, I think every Jamaican have a stammer, like to different degrees.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But
I would try mask it under like saying the same thing twice.
once you get angry, I feel like you
stammer.
You start stammer. Ka from.
So the man starts saying ka me.
Yo. Yeah, but once you get angry, that stammer, that Jamaican stammer is coming out fully.
The craziest part about Patois, you know, dog, is that it's special to we, but just don't say, yo, if I never say a lot of the words what we were using, you know, England did I use it first, you know?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Like rotted, don't feel like a wee build a word, you know. That's English.
It's like it's English,
Scottish, up there, so
Scottish, Irish, all of them kind of melt up together and create this like.
Big up the
weird
England
thing.
people them too. Big up the England people them. Them a cuss me off.
Why?
Because I say, all right, hear me out.
Why the English people vex with you?
Them not vex with me. It's just that me say something and people tell me if you agree with me. I believe that there is bad man in England. All right? Bad man there England. And them would do your things. England, high crime
England
rate.
have a different badness too.
Yeah, them will stab you up,
Yeah.
cut you, take off your watch, all of them thing there. But the accent not bad though. Like the accent, the English brother, something about seeing a bad man speaking proper English, me can't wrap my brain around it.
So it.
Pussy hole.
So it's not even. So they don't even go hole.
No,
That's
that's a hole.
Pussy hole.
Sack your mom.
So I think
You know what that them say? Sack your mom.
sack your mom.
Go sack your mom. Shut up. Oh, shut up.
Fuck off.
Fuck off. Piss off. You taking a piss, innit?
So I don't even think it's weird because like the English not even like it's not even usually perfect, you know. But something about the accent,
Brother, it might them just sound proper.
like even when it's not proper.
Yeah, like even when the man them just all right, just for watch English people just a reason.
Yeah.
It just like man, I said, why are these men speaking so like these are hood niggas? Why are these
Like why are they talking like
why these hood niggas look like them read like the whole dictionary? I'm pronouncing the words so perfect. So it's weird to me because it's like, yes, English is my first language, but me speak Patois.
Yeah.
So it's like, you know, I make you talk Jamaican and then not seem proper.
Yeah.
But here when me I realize, a man from England come from England.
Yeah.
So them only have like that.
Yeah, they don't have like another gear to go.
I know what it is. Hear me out. I get it now. So when we live in Jamaica, we owned by England. We were owned by England. And our language is a direct derivative from England. So when we speak Patois, and when we're comfortable, and we not feel like go school, and them things that we just talk Patois, because we're amongst the peers.
Yeah.
When them they are England,
It's just English. Like
it's just English.
Them not have no like
Exactly. But them feed them like descendants would have be Jamaican. So them can talk the Jamaican, them still like a sound English. But when we talk the English, we still sound Jamaican.
Okay. I see what you're saying. Because
Rotted.
rotted fam.
In it.
In it.
In it.
What is the in it about?
Is
that
ain't
ain't
it?
it?
Is really ain't it? In it. What is he on about? If you don't want it.
Yeah.
What is he on about?
Yeah, me have a Welsh brethren where used to ask me that all the time.
What are you on about?
What are you on about, Crooks? I was like, what do you mean? What am I on about? What that mean? But it's tricky too, because I feel like English people talk in like parables sometimes. Like I feel like they have so many like phrases that they'll string together.
Yep.
You know, taking the piss and like they'll call other things.
Bro, me love England, you know.
Yeah?
Let me tell you, all right. So me not love England for leave that though.
Yeah.
Let me tell you what England is. And if you've ever been to England or you live in England and you listen to the podcast, tell me if I'm wrong. Comment. England, I know you're gonna laugh. England is like all of England is like watching Pirates of the Caribbean.
It's not like Top Boy.
Reason why I say that is so every corner there's a pub. There is a the speeches.
Yeah.
Remember, I know the black population of England is not nothing. I don't think I think the blacks might make up like less than 20% of England. You know?
Really?
Yeah. Check them out. What is the percentage of black people in England? Probably I think I like 16% or something like that.
This is according to a 2021 census. Whites are 81%.
81.
The remaining 19 is a mixture of Asian, black, mixed, and other ethnic groups. Some say black British or Caribbean is 4.2%. That's crazy.
All right. So there is not a lot of black people in England.
Yeah. Wow.
Like, all right. Just know, you just say England just have a bag of Jack Sparrow walk up and down. I swear to you, whole heap of them. They will call it. So a nowadays version of a Jack Sparrow, the English would have called him like a skinhead.
Okay, there's like the punks, like the.
No, them on a punk. They love fight. They love rum.
No, but
they love fight. Them drink all. So them have a look. Them teeth always a drop out. And them have beer tattoo. And you see when you go to England on a Friday,
Yeah.
just drive through any part of England on a Friday, man. You see like how Jamaican man love bar?
Yeah. English people that.
It's so eye-opening for see how much of an imprint England make pan Jamaica. 'Cause you would think, oh yeah man, you live at Jamaica, yeah, say, yo, we love bar and them thing there. Is the English why we love bar so much, brother.
So that's really like English tradition.
That's
that
an
we just-
English thing. You see when work done on a Friday, brother, and you drive through England,
Everybody's at the pub.
everybody there want pub.
Okay.
Everybody there want pub. And
Wow.
it's so like culturally refreshing though.
Because like you say,
For
you get to see like where these connections.
Yeah, you
coming
get to
from.
see why we have like, you know, why Jamaica stay like how it's there. Because of the imprint where the man them left. Dog, you see like how you see like Romed.
Yeah.
Romed man.
Yeah.
I say you see Romed white man drunk and fight and police a lot there like me tell you, I just the England is first world Jamaica without gun.
I could see that. I could see that.
First world Jamaica without gun.
I think with England too, because them don't have gun, is like if you're bad, you have it bad.
Yeah, I feel like really bad. Gun there, you know.
Yeah.
Best believe.
Yeah. But it's not as much as.
Not the brother. England man, they walk around with sword, brother.
So how Jamaica have so much gun?
Because
I guess that's another topic.
Because they're right underneath the country where
England make gun,
not really.
don't they?
Them often make them own gun, but England is not a big arms country.
True. Let me see.
Germany make a lot of gun, and America make a lot of gun. Germany, America, Russia. English have a manufacture gun, but them not have as much.
But they're also like geographically close to places that have it. Like all of the gun them where they are Jamaica, like them I forget shipping.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
Jamaica don't make no gun.
Them don't make none and
Yeah, but-
everything I forget shipping.
Yeah, but if you are less than 300-400 miles off the coast of the biggest manufacturer of guns in the world, where it's free to have, of course Jamaica have enough gun.
Fair. Fair.
Wow.
Fair.
Jamaica position tricky in a dog. We are located, you know that some of Jamaica international waters is shared with Colombia.
Yes. Yes.
So-
Yes.
So
'Cause that's where we used to get
so the drugs go right up there and we can go right into America. We literally they're right in between everything.
It's a very central country for the Caribbean.
I think not very is the most central.
Because it's almost like not a part of the...
Brother, we're closer to America than Puerto Rico, you know?
Man, let me look on it again right now. Because sometimes it's refreshing for... You know what I want to get? Yeah, you have one, no?
A world map.
Yeah, let me see that.
Ah, yeah. You go there so we map. Yeah. So
You can say I have a globe.
and I'm also a historian.
Yeah.
So look. Jamaica,
Oh, yeah. Center.
Puerto Rico.
Oh, that's true.
So Puerto Rico they like far.
Yeah, it's very far.
So these are the Virgin Islands. So the Virgin Islands them closer too. But really and truly, so you have US Virgin Islands and you have the British Virgin Islands. So a couple of them you have like Tartula and BVI. BVI. Don't make a mistake and no, Yoi.
BVOI?
BVI. I from the Virgin Islands.
Okay, not the Virgin Islands.
No, BVI and Virgin.
Okay.
Big up my people from Virgin. Brother, we have one heap of people that watch this, you know, all over the world. But from the BVI.
Big up the BVOI every time.
So yeah, look how far Puerto Rico there. And it's piece of thing there. You have the Bahamas. So most of the, brother, Bahamas closer, Haiti closer,
Yeah, Bahamas
Jamaica
is practically
closer.
right there. Like
Bahamas is a boat ride.
Yeah, practically Florida.
A quick Bahamas is a fast little boat ride into America.
It's like right there.
Yeah, brother, when you drive through England, even when you leave, England is so much like Jamaica, is like Kingston would come like London, and everything else a country. Brother, you see like how people from Manchester chat bad?
Yeah.
You see people from Manchester, England? Oh, Jesus Christ. I want a strong bow and a shag, innit?
It's like what?
A strong bow and a shag.
What is that?
It's an alcohol like
drink?
a strong bow and a shag.
That's like you know which accent me like? Is that Liverpool?
Oh, them for them one terrible too.
Who are the Scousers? Is that Liverpool?
How is that? I ain't look a geezer. You see,
Like it's kind of sound Irish, but not.
Suarez is kind of in trouble now. I wonder if the manager. I think I want to put my trust in the manager, but
Yo, England and the tea.
England people know. For some man we make English, the man them not like tea, none at all,
Hey,
brother.
them only drink tea. Them not want it in a them language, none at all. Water bottle.
Water.
A bottle of water. You know, bottle of water. Scouse is Liverpool. Yeah,
Liverpool people talk bad, man. They chat bad.
Oh, the key features of the Scouse accent: the tapped R, a brief roll, the aspirated K and T, unvoiced consonants of words like K and T. Wet. Or like if something is wet.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Water.
A bevy. That's dead, mate. Cobon. Cobon means to be in a bad mood or sulking. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, they're just like, for someone who speak English, they'll just decide, say, that's not what that means.
Brother.
We're just like, oh.
I know what crazy obvious things are going on. Like, yo, you see, it's probably off topic. So, all right, you know the woman, Dr. Brian?
Cheyenne Bryan.
Cheyenne Bryan.
Yes.
I just say, feel like, what, 2 years now? She around the internet with her, like, womanly advices.
Woman, and she do the podcast.
Yep. And she said, doctor, this and that. And she said she have 6 degrees and she have her doctorate.
Yeah, I know them can't find
Brother
it.
then call her out on the doctorate, brother, and she said, she applied, she said, she got to school and when she try to get her transcript, them say it lock. And them only give transcript 2 years back. And some people said, no, but me used to go there, so me get my transcript, and me did I got in at 2000. So
I got mine from 26 years ago. So
whole years only got 2 years back. So now, what she went ahead and did, she trademarked Dr. Brian.
Oh, so now Dr. Brand is the brand.
Yeah. Yo, that's shameless, you know, dog. Yo, that's shameless.
Wow. So she's kind of like a. So Dr. Umar is more of a doctor?
If Dr. Umar have a doctorate, I'm sure. If Dr. Umar have a doctorate, I'm sure it.
Like, okay, hold on. Is Umar Johnson a doctor?
An actual doctor. Ask if him have a doctorate.
Umar Johnson holds a doctorate, earning a doctor of psychology.
All right.
In clinic psychology from the Philadelphia College of Osteopathic Medicine.
No matter what, that means that Dr. Umar is a. All right. You see the difference with man. All right, Kawacha. You see that Cheyenne Brand? She was like the female. What you call her brother that what he did? Samuels.
Yes, Kevin Samuels.
She was like the female Kevin Samuels.
Yeah, I remember she had a Nick Cannon on and was telling them
say him at the worst, and she tell
Cam Newton
the
too.
quarterback say him ready, and she do the Joe Budden podcast and tell the white man boy him have white privilege cause him no need for them on a shoe, and she have a bag of talk. She say, oh, how she stay and high value this and that. And then when them call her out on the Breakfast Club and say, yo, what the doctor? And she said, I'm going to address this and this is going to be the last time I'm going to address this. It turned out she haven't proven that she have a doctorate. I'll know.
Okay, overview. Okay, let me see. Says she's earned doctor title amid backlash. So is she a doctor? Cheyenne Brand is not a licensed clinical psychologist or medical doctor. She holds an academic doctorate in counseling. In counseling psychology from a now defunct Argosy University.
Yeah, but so all right. She still don't show proof.
So this is saying that this is what she said?
Yeah.
Bryant maintains that she earned the doctorate degree, but there's no proof of it. No medical or clinical license. She's faced intense scrutiny and online criticism regarding the verifiability of her academic records, largely due to the sudden closure of Argosy University, making official transcripts difficult for the public to access.
That's what I come like say, yo.
Yeah, me used to work at Spirit.
That come like we used to work at Spirit.
Yeah, man, me used to work at Spirit, man. I mean, man, me used to work at Spirit and me used to work for Twitter, Radio Shack.
You see, the thing is, if she provides her doctorate, we were all wrong and she was right.
Yeah, because I'll try for the short and everybody shut up.
Short. But what me know if you're fuck, brother, is first thing she black. Crooks. me have a double major degree in international relations and management studies.
Yeah.
Me have the piece of paper for show it. Me can carry it come. Me can say, hey, from the University of the West Indies, this is, was it a double major? No. Is a major in international relations and a minor in a management studies. That degree that I have, and it's a Bachelor of Science.
Yeah.
There is no black person under this earth either where I gonna last that.
Facts. You will lose anything else.
And guess what? You see, if you lose it, your granny have it. You tell me say your granny, brother.
It not under the mattress somewhere? Come on now, let's be real. It not under nowhere?
Brother, me cut my locks and my grandmother asked a piece and me hear what they if you put it up.
For save it, just so you can remember them something.
Exactly. So just imagine you get a degree and your mother just no business about it. It doesn't sound right as
It's
a
so
black
crazy.
as a black person.
It's so crazy.
Brother,
It's absolutely crazy.
All when me know me never use my degree for nothing yet. Something for prouder. No, it's a accomplishment.
It's a big accomplishment.
Me might pre my degree like Jano at the end of the day. And I'm gonna use it, but end of the
But
day.
you have it, and if anybody ever decided to question that.
Exactly. Anytime a man can say, yo, shut, blah, me can say, yo, brother, a degree is a legitimate flex, you know. Me don't know brother. No, let us not. Listen to me. For guy university, especially you live in the Caribbean, for do CXC, pass CXC, then do Cape, pass Cape, then do a degree and graduate with a degree.
Big accomplishment.
Brother, you know,
Huge accomplishment.
More know what percentage.
I'm about to say, what is the percentage of?
A percentage of people out of Jamaica get a degree. Me don't think 20% of Jamaica population get a degree.
What percentage of Jamaicans have a degree? No, you not pick up. All right, hold on. What percentage? Let's find out.
Especially from UWI. Because UWI not give nothing.
In Jamaica, approximately 15 to 16% of the workforce holds a university degree or tertiary level qualification. So 15 to 16%.
Approximately. All right. And it's a or, you know.
Yeah.
Because I know every degree, you have accredited degree different. So you can type in accredited. Because UWI is an internationally accredited degree, which means me can go work anywhere in the world with it. What go on upstairs?
Party, turn up. Have accredited. Hold on. Have an
every degree accredited. Can say like internationally accredited degree.
Accredited degree. A degree. Yeah, them still say 15 to 16%.
So 15 to 16% of Jamaica don't have a piece of paper where me have a catch me door somewhere.
So this
Can
is
you
saying,
imagine if you do it in America? What does that say?
This is saying, according to the data cited by the Planning Institute of Jamaica and local leadership, roughly 15% of the active labor force has tertiary or university level education. So that's not even the degree.
Oh yeah, that's education.
You did just go college. So it's probably less that actually have the degree.
Exactly.
65% high school level, according to Jamaica Survey of Living Conditions, a large portion of the population, approximately 65%, aged 25 to 54, does not possess standard secondary level examinations like CXC.
It's like CXC and everything.
So what's that? 35% of the population.
Basically, what me I try to
Have
say is
safety.
a degree is always something for proud of. As much as me will like ridicule it and say, yo, this and that. If somebody right now call me out, anybody with a degree, that's basically what me I say is, what me I say is anybody will have a degree. If somebody question if you have a degree for real,
I've never
you're
met.
not gonna say me don't need to prove that to you.
Yeah, I've never met a black person or anybody
I've never met anybody
with a degree that
With a
wasn't
degree?
ready to prove it.
if you call me out,
Yeah.
me there with it. See it, yeah.
Especially, so here's the crazy part. Especially black women in America.
Oh Lord.
Brother. You talk to any black woman in America will have a degree though.
Them start the convo with that.
So it start. 'Cause you ask for advice. Well, I have a doctorate in psychology now. So what that means?
But that means I am qualified to say stuff to you.
Yeah, I can tell you anything right now. Just ask me because I have my masters, I have a master's,
Brother.
So
My degree was IR. Me can tell you about the Iran nuclear deal from back to front. Me can tell you about international law, international waters. Me can tell you all about what going on in Israel right now. Me can tell you about the Israel and Palestine. Me can tell you about the Russia conflict where they might have. Me can tell you about the China and Taiwan. Because of that, me do.
yeah.
Me write papers about them thing up. Like me mad and me will literally say something about it and somebody will jump and say, you don't know what you're talking about. And it never one time come to my mind to say, no, but hey, hold up. I know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm qualified in some, if there's a level of qualification,
You have it.
nigga, I've done enough papers.
And I have the literal thing to prove it.
Exactly.
You can go check it. like I don't even have to show you. You can go online and look
You
for say
can
you have
go
it.
ask. First of all, me can't see one graduation picture. You tell me say you get doctorate and you don't have a picture of the gown. Me can't. Brother, me da go fake a picture of that gown.
So she ended up just trademarking.
She just got trademark shameless.
Wow, that's diabolical. Wow. So she's like, no, Dr. Brand is the
That's the height.
that's the brand.
That's the height of shameless.
That's the brand. That's what it's the brand. Hold on, let me see this. Trademark. That's so
She trademark. That's shameless.
wow. I mean, so she not feel like she could have.
Hey, you know what's funny too? You know what's funny about all that too, dog? You know, me never yet meet somebody and they ask me. When I say meet a man and they ask you why you level of education.
Damn. I don't feel like I've ever been asked that. like since my left school.
Since me left school, it's very rare somebody say, yo, Dale, why you level of education? Half of these people here probably was if I first time them even I know me graduate university. Me even move like I'm not graduate university.
But I have my bachelor's, don't mess around.
Like don't get this thing twisted. I never give me it too. Me earn it. Don't feel like them did feel sorry for me. I say, yeah, I'm giving you what? No.
Okay, hold on. This is so Ting that wrote a post on LinkedIn. This is Dr. Boyce Watkins. For those in the black sphere, he's like a big figure, right?
Yeah.
So he wrote on LinkedIn saying why Dr. Cheyenne Bryant could lose her Dr. Bryant trademark. It's fraud on the USPTO. Some say she registered it while branding herself as a doctorate holder in psychology and coaching. If she knew or recklessly ignored that she lacked verifiable proof, that's material misrepresentation. Trademarks require truth under oath. The doctor in the mark isn't just a name, it's a professional title implying advanced credentials. consumers buy her books, coaching, and events because of that implied expertise. No
That's
diploma,
facts. That's
no
facts.
transcripts, no dissertation on record equals potential fraud in procurement or maintenance.
So basically, so she's been fraud. She's been defrauding.
Yeah.
Here's what me I say. You can't so brave.
like that's a level of boldness.
The level up, bro. This is the world we live in now.
Yeah, but it's like, all right. And this is unfortunate, right? It for be so bold is one thing, but
Brother,
your demographics not match the level of
Brother.
boldness what you're supposed to do.
brother, I one thing my granny teach me with woman. My granny tell me this. My granny said, Dale, you see, when a woman a lie, she is going to take it to the grave.
That lie, they are the truth now.
When a woman a lie, if you call her, if you find out say a lie she a tell, she still a go believe the lie. She a go cry to you. She a go cry, say you find out. When woman a get jacket, you know, them believe the jacket what them give, you know. When woman a get jacket, you know, them believe, say yo, yeah man.
No, man, but it's you. You've been taken care of. It's yours.
You know, say a man couldn't call himself doctor and we not go find that out.
I mean, that's why even Dr. Umar, it's like people been questioning for him.
Hey,
And then we tell like, no, I have my doctorate.
I promise you this. Is a man first.
Go prove
It just take, I promise you, it just take one man. All of them women, they would just listen to her.
Yeah.
Because I don't think she was giving terrible advice.
No.
But I promise you, is a man was sick and tired of him woman I use her as reference.
I was like, yo,
Just
is she
sit down
even
and
a
say to her,
doctor?
say,
Like-
yo, Bridget, yes, all this stuff. You ever see her doctorate? That is all, you know.
Like you can prove say she's a doctor for real. Like you can't just call yourself a doctor. you know?
Brother, something as simple as make a man just go even talk about football when never yet play ball. Every day. Every virgin. We know about ball game. You know nothing about ball game?
Brother, you know something talk about music and people ask me what me doing in music for me know for me make me feel like I can talk about something.
For you have like them strong
an
opinion in our music.
Brother.
No, but because sometimes it that are the world where we live in. Some of the time, some things you need qualifications for talk about, or you just have to say, allegedly.
Yeah. But you can
But-
allegedly be a doctor.
But for say, I think for say doctor,
Yeah, that's some serious business, that man. Serious
bro,
business.
you know how hard it is to get a doctorate?
It's insanely hard.
Brother, brother, a doctorate have to do something named disposition. A disposition?
Deposition.
Deposition. Them have to write a deposition. Because when I did that guy UA, I know people did that do doctorate.
Yeah.
Dog, that's
Like you
something.
have to discover thing. You have to like discover something. Almost enough.
Brother.
like you have,
Brother, a deposition is like a paper where it take you months for doing all that.
let's
You know how it is to get a master's? Much less.
Yeah, hey. A deposition is a well, hold on.
A master's program take 2 years. A degree can take 3 to 4 years.
Wow.
So you basically gone 6 years in a school just to get a master's. And then
Wow.
I think doctorate, even if you go straight, I think your doctorate I go probably take you another 2 years.
Wow. So hold on. A master's deposition typically refers to two distinct legal contexts. A standard deposition where an individual named masters is testifying. Oh no, what is this? Is testifying, or a deposition overseen by court appointed. Oh no, I think this no what I
Just ask, you can ask ChatGPT too. How long does it take to get a doctorate after a degree? Simple. After a bachelor's degree, it take you 4 to 7 years in most fields. 7 to 10 years in highly research heavy part-time. Bachelor's take 4. Masters take 1 to 2. Doctorate, PhD take 3 to 7. In the US, PhD programs combine master's programs, so you can directly go from bachelor's to doctorate. So medical doctor, 7 to 11 years total. JD, which is like law, 3 years after bachelor's. DBA, doing business, doctor of business administration, 3 to 6 years. EDA, education doctorate, 3 to 5. Brother,
you're not going to do all of that and then go, but I have to prove.
You're not do that. And then any day a man call me out about my degree, brother. Me say. Matter of fact, more know how much comedian have degree.
You know what I mean? Like, hey, listen.
Yeah.
Hey, listen.
Me go see the degree.
Show on the proof then.
Brother,
Talk like say.
Education is something where you feel proud of, brother.
Facts.
Me wear my A. Although my subject doesn't mean nothing. Me don't run for reminder, man. Hey, me have all of my subject them, you know. Me have maths and English.
Oh, try no. You know, some guy. Like
Try
that.
Try no. Yeah, man. Me have maths and English.
Oh.
All when me do subject where even, brother, me do subject where even make sense. Me go case go do all RE, you know. So me can talk about religion, you know, can me do religious education.
Bro,
I got a 2 in RE.
Me I talk to mommy with there, you know. And mommy I say, you know, me I look pan. Remember your award for document preparation? I say, mommy, you still have that?
Brother, we not care about
brother, doc prep.
Doc prep. brother, remember me there at KC Terrell and I done something, me do one CXC name EDPM.
What was EDPM then again?
Brother, one like a teacher for like type.
Oh yes, that.
Dunce like, hey.
Bro, I got the highest in the country for that, you know.
See?
That's that. She's like, I just get your I just there look for your certificate feet, you know. I was like, okay.
Brother, I'm sure.
For type will and lease and
brother, EDPM. And let me know if I do EDPM.
Electronic document preparation and management.
Teach me how to use Word and then like a sit there. CXC subject, I don't know.
Yeah.
What may I do with that?
Bro, up to now, me not need it for nothing.
Brother. Brother, me do maths, English, RE, OA.
OA what again?
Office administration. Right. How much pence you need for them on the table? How to sort out the filing cabinet? Office.
Wow. Wow.
Office attire. Oh, you need to dress when you go work.
Yeah, man. What is the standard length of of ties for business administrations?
Brother. Office, not business.
Oh, sorry. That's different.
No, brother. About the office. Brother, I'm do the worst subject I'm in a dog. Brother, when we get them, I remember me tell us, yeah man, I was just get 8. Me just get 8 a while ago. Me read the subject and them I say, oh, damn. If you're out here with OA or RE, EDPM, just know, bro, you waste your fucking time, but hey, we have them.
Yeah, for sure. I think that's one of the subjects I couldn't remember. EDPM. Yeah, that's one of the subjects I couldn't remember. I was like, oh yeah, what else?
Brother, me there I try to remember my subject then. Me do OA, RE, EDPM, maths, English, literature, social studies, and history.
Damn. We know the maths, English. We have maths, English, foods.
Where do it foods, Crooks? Well, you could have turned that chef.
You could have been a chef. That was the intention.
It's actually more useful than EDPM.
Absolutely. Who's writing?
Brother KC said they not teach foods. Woodwork.
No, yeah, absolutely. That makes sense.
We that do make tech. Mechanical drawing.
Yeah, man. TD. For
Technical drawing.
Yeah, I feel like TD went from like simple to overly complicated.
I just line them a dry, you know.
Just line.
Line and measurement, you know.
It just get it gets so complex after a certain.
Me never bright enough to do that.
For the TD.
Yeah, Casey the kind of set way up still, you know.
Good.
So Hero Casey do it. You see, 7 to 9 grade, the playing field leveled.
Yeah.
Every man does 16 subject.
Right.
When 10 grade come, them take your last exam them and them give you a piece of paper and them said, choose where you want. Choose the type. So choose whether you want to go in a business, sciences, or technical. You only can do 3. So there's business, science, technical. First brightest for sciences would have be Forrest. First brightest for business would have be Francis. First brightest for technical drawing would have be Clark. Second brightest for business would have be Holding.
These are the names of the blocks, right?
The classrooms.
The classes. Okay.
Second brightest for business are Holding. Second brightest for science are Gibson. So you see them 6 class there?
Yeah.
Me nah lie, are they
That's the
if you not make them 6 class there,
you're just there.
because I really hate. So you see last 2 class them left, brother. It name Miller and McDonald.
So if you're not them class there,
Brother,
you just a hang out.
you play ball, you do tracks, you know. You're not really.
Yo, we're not looking for you. Looking for you to do like the academic.
We just want to see how
stuff.
far you run.
Yeah.
And how fast you run, how far you can kick a ball.
Yeah.
Or play cricket.
You're gonna help with that tracks and sports. And
Yeah, when a man in a Miller and McDonald, we know them dons. Yeah. And guess what too? Holding.
Yeah.
Yeah, you kind of done when in a Holding. Because you have the cartridge. The cartridge is second brightest business.
Okay.
So Holding, the dunces class them is McDonald, Miller, and Holding.
So if you're in any one of those 3,
Holding would have been the brightest out of the 3.
out of the 3 dunce.
Out of the 3 dunces, Holding would have been the brightest.
Okay. Holding a try.
Yeah, I was in Holding.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you why I know Holding was not the brightest. When me in a Holding, between 10 grade and 11th grade, I top the class probably around 2 to 3 times.
You're like, there's no way.
No, Crooks, me top the class. Me top the class.
And this is...
Crooks, one time I top the class and my average was 68. Yo, big man. Crooks, I swear to God. I swear to God right now. Brother, as there's a God, me come first in a Holding.
I get 68
My
average.
average was 68.
Jado.
Couple time world, brother. Me was like one of the bright man them in the class. Like literally.
Wow.
Because Casey used to do a report by color.
Yeah.
So it's hard to tell. You can't really lie about your grades at Casey, you know.
By color? What do you mean by color?
So here's how we get you. Anything within the 60s is red. Anything in the 50s is white. Anything in the 40s is blue.
Like the whole card, like the
The
whole...
whole report card, blue.
Oh, so you can't go and go change nothing.
No. Anything in the 30s is peach. Anything in the 70s to 80s is gold. So gold reports start at 70 at average.
So you followed with a peach. If you followed with a peach paper, just know say.
My first maybe 4 to 5 report me ever get from KC was peach.
This was after being terrible at Meadowbrook.
Yeah, this was right after. Right after.
Okay. Fair. Wow. So you can't even try finesse it. No way.
No,
To
you
make it
can't.
look. They thought about that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, brother. But it's just the subject. The subject. Remember that though, brother. When a man tell me say I'm done, if you're done from 7th grade to 9th grade, I don't really care about them reporting a dog, because I feel like the school system are overwhelmed the youth them.
Yeah, there's a lot of subjects.
Like, why you give me 16 subjects for do?
And how much you expect me to learn in one session per class where I do so much
Bro,
class?
y'all give me 16 subjects for do for the week.
Mm-hmm.
And then y'all tell me say me have to reach at school 7 o'clock. And then y'all tell me say when school over, me have to play Pepsi.
Mm-hmm.
And me have to run a champs.
Mm-hmm.
So me I reach home 9 o'clock every day.
So at what point am I supposed
At what
to
point me I gonna have time for the 16 subject? Me reach at school, me tired, me want to sleep.
Yeah. Facts.
When it cut down to 8, it is way more manageable. But the problem is, you have to somewhat have some sense for get for do the subject and what you want. I don't know if KC changed that yet.
Yeah.
But it kind of unfair. But also too, I think whatever formula them use work. Because the man them in a Milan Mac, you couldn't send them man they go do like no physics, chemistry and no bio, brother.
Like that wasn't gonna work anyway.
They couldn't send them man they go do that.
So them class them more do what? Like TD and them something there, or just
Them class do them anything we left. Phonics, library science. Yeah, man. Phonics, library science. Then we get our maths and English. You know? Maths, English, and literature.
Yeah.
You have to do them.
You have to do those. Okay. Wow. Yeah, I remember when we did reach 10th grade, we could have dropped literature.
Brother, you ever sit down in a class with some man yet and like, put the mic nearer. You ever sit down in a class with some man and watch them quiet, don't talk, do work. Everything the teacher say out time out, them write it down. And them can't help but dunce.
Yeah. Must see some man will try. Like them genuinely try. And they just never
Brother,
get it.
All right. Me turn 18 in 11th grade now.
Mm-hmm.
Because I repeat 1 year. So I turn 18 in March. So instead for me is supposed to graduate 2013.
Yeah.
But I graduate 2014. Because I repeat 9th grade.
Okay.
Yes. I did done. I repeat 9th grade.
Yeah.
When me in 9th grade, there was a youth where was 18.
In 9th grade. Wow. But I have a brethren that was like 16 in 9th grade. Him did end up like be the class barber. Like he would have just line up everybody. But 16 in 9th grade was like crazy. To everybody else, it was like, wow.
I know something crazier than that. So when me in 9th grade, me know a youth who was 18 in 11th grade, which means me 1 year ahead. I'm a graduate left him.
He just wasn't getting it, man. You know what I mean? It's too it's too tricky. It's too tricky, bro. Like you can't, you know what I mean? Man, no.
You think them nobody in a business, brother?
So now imagine. So after doing all of that, so now after going through all of that and getting your accomplishments,
To do a comedian.
but
The
even
DJ, one man turn DJ, one man turn comedian.
crazy. Would you advise that to anybody?
I would tell any man out there right now, any girl, any boy, done school first.
Yeah. Before you decide where you are.
Yeah, I think
So you want to do that.
the trajectory of my life is so dependent on my schooling. It's unbelievable. Like the trajectory, I mean, like me going to Meadowbrook, meeting the friend them, getting expelled from Meadowbrook, moving to KC make me move from where me used to live and go live somewhere else.
Yeah.
Which put me in a different environment.
Yeah.
Finishing KC and going to pre-UE put me in a different environment with different people. and then advancing me, making me want to go UA, which put me in a different environment with different people.
So it's like you get to be like exposed to a lot of different.
Yeah. Like when you go to school, you start realize like you're poor.
Oh,
Because now you say, me take bus go home, but you have your friend them where don't leave school because them parents. Them parents come pick them up.
Yeah.
And then you have the one them will go extra class.
Yep.
And then the whole you get you start, now you have bridging where, me para downtown at daytime, but me have a one bridging where play ball at football factory. And at uptown. And now you have uptown friends, because you play ball uptown.
Yep.
And then you have one friend uptown, sleep over, you sleep in yard, you start make link in yard. You look most you probably end up find a girl up there. So never stop go school, because once you don't stop go school, your network are gonna get bigger and bigger.
I think that is the most important part of schooling, like in my opinion. Like looking back, it's like the education, yes, very vital, but the network that you're able to acquire while being there.
The network where you acquire, like I'm proud to say, me graduating UA, I have friends right now that are lawyers, doctors, friends where big positions in a banks, insurance companies. Like me have friends where have good jobs, architectural, design, contract, come and go school with them.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy to like for look for like your friend them where you used to ramp with and run up and down with and be like, damn, we're like really
Like
in charge.
Yo, me a FaceTime one of my brothers them and the man I say, yo, me can't talk right now. And me I go, me I work for one case, me I have to go out. Me I have to go court tomorrow.
Wow.
Me have court tomorrow. Me I say, that's crazy.
That's crazy, bro.
Say him have a case, him I got court tomorrow. Me have another brother, me and the dog a FaceTime. I'm a FaceTime the dog a driver come home from work in a literally in doctor suit. Me I said, damn, nigga, we used to fuck bitches.
Dog is watching this like, no.
Don't call me name. Under no circumstance call me name right now, cause me have me good job and I go mash up my thing right now.
Dog is like, no, I did not. I don't know.
That's the beauty, brother. That's the beautiful thing.
It's crazy.
Brother,
It's so crazy.
brother, you have a woman right now where doctor my youth with me. I said, damn. Damn. You turn your life around.
You did that.
Hey.
You did that. You did that. Proud of you.
Brother, you feel a little bit of doctor. Yo, I'm telling you this. Brother, the man used to say, yo, so the day you, man, we used to graduate and come back, man, I'm telling you this, brother. See, all them girls I want to there with right now, this is our last chance to fuck some of them girls in our life. Because woman reset after college, you know.
Oh yeah, man. It's done. All of this going done after this. So.
Brother, woman press a hard reset button.
Yeah, man. That never happened. You know. She just get her education, you know.
Woman a virgin again after college, you know.
Yeah. None of that never happened.
None of that.
She went there and she graduated.
I was having fun. Done. You is just a memory. And you might even be memory.
Oh man, it's hurtful, man.
I mean, it's hurtful, you know. You know why? How it would be hurtful is if me did go school with them, and me not do nothing.
Facts.
You see, because me not gonna stop.
Yeah.
Because me, the position where me put myself in right now, you see, because me not got that route there. Me have to go continue do what me I do. Because they're doing, me kind of get a head start.
Fair.
Them a go catch me, up, you fuck. Hey, them a catch me up. Quick too.
True. Because you had to be this from.
Yeah, me I do them little thing from me damn near 16, 17. So me I make my own money from long time.
Yeah. Wow.
But me just never forget hey, me go there school with you know. Me go there beside you know every day. And me I go grow with you. Don't feel like you're not gonna come grow past me.
No, the whole way there and the whole way I do a thing.
Yeah,
So don't feel like
I think I put myself in a situation where me easy for hate.
can you just do your thing, you know?
Not even that. In terms of, you see if you dance, are you around me? Me now gonna make you forget, you know. Me I remind you every chance me get, say you dance. You see, if me can do something better than you, me I gonna remind you, say me can do it better than you.
Yeah.
Like, if a football me I play, and me I play football good, me I remind you, hey, you know better than me now.
So even
If a tracks me I do, me I go good at it. Everything what me ever do, me always good at it to a fault. And because me good at it, me always brag about it. So, me one of them man there where there is niggas out there right now.
that just can't believe.
There's niggas out there right now. I say, yo, Dale need for feel, man. Jesus.
Like, yo, can't stand that brother.
Yo,
here,
that
no,
man
man.
are really, that man are really still a go. Damn, I hate this nigga.
Ah.
I don't know what them doing up there.
yo, upstairs active.
Yo, I never hear so much movement upstairs yet.
Jaja. Oh, man.
Yo, so you tell me, say, so Cheyenne don't have one friend who can say, yeah, man, me and I did do degree.
Apparently none. And she not feel like she need to prove to nobody, which is like, that is the craziest part to me. The craziest part to me is that you, all right, you want me to believe, cause to me it feel like you take me for an idiot, right? You want me to believe that there's a black woman in America with a doctorate.
There's a black woman in the world.
Right? But in America in particular, because you know,
Yeah.
America have this very interesting...
Yeah, because America no ramp for, like the black woman in America no ramp for remind black man say we have a degree.
Anybody. Like, because it's so, you know, you fight so many struggles already in America.
Adversity, you know?
So you can, if you have the opportunity to prove who you are, you're accredited by the powers that be. And you feel like you want me to believe that you are a black woman in America with a degree. And if I ask you for show me the degree, you go and say, you don't feel like you have to prove that to me?
You lied.
You're lying. You're lying.
You lied to me.
You're lying. You're lying. You're not have to prove it. You're lying. You're lying. You're absolutely lying. I don't understand what. So you should be actually excited to show everybody. I'm surprised it's not like on the wall on the show. You know what I mean? Like,
I'm surprised it's not there in the background.
you know, the background, like that's not the... You have your YouTube plaque right there, so.
I'm proud of my YouTube plaque, you know.
You see what I'm saying? You achieved it. You know what I'm saying? Why would you not provide your achievement? Think about that, bro. Why would you not show off your achievements?
You know when we realized when I'm foreign,
Go.
you can say you do a lot of things. You don't really have to prove nothing a foreign. Like when I apply for a job over here, you can say you have a degree, them now go check it, you know. You can say you used to work right just and them not check it. Especially for women.
Yeah, but you can say your workplaces. But for say you is a doctor, crazy, bro. And can I prove it?
I really think because you could have get with mechanic.
You could have
You could have get with mechanic, me not lie.
easily.
She could have get with mechanic.
Cause certain things you just have to know how to do, right? If you don't have to have a degree for say that you're a mechanic.
Brother, here to
but
me,
can you work on cars?
Here what a degree is to me, dog. A degree is showing that you have the intellectual know-it-all for verbally and physically write. Like literary, you can write something. In every degree, you're right to get a degree now.
Yes.
There's practical, but you have to write. And you have to do presentations and speak and this and that. So getting a degree, brother, getting a degree mean you have to go lecture, you have to go tutorial, you have to do paper, you have to do what you call them thing there again? You have to have like presentations in front of people, and then you have to submit different papers. So you're right for your degree.
Yeah.
So that is something totally different. Like me can show you so me can build a house, you know.
Exactly.
Can I write
Can
that
you
I
write
can
that?
build a house?
So now that is a whole other level where it's like, that's why I'm saying you don't necessarily have to prove them kind of physical thing there.
Physical, yeah, you don't really have to do much.
Can you fix the engine or not fix the engine? Right?
And also remember, you're paying thousands of dollars for this. You nah, brother.
Yeah, people are still in a debt for that right now, you know.
Brother, I can't tell you how much my degree cost me. It was 305,000 US. No, whoa, I'm lying.
I was going to say 305,000
305,000 Jamaican dollars every for 3 years.
every year.
So, for the full year, so 305,000. So that my degree cost me $1 million plus boarding fee, and the boarding fee was equal to like the school fee. So just that double.
So call it.
So my degree
so
roughly
3
cost me around $2 million something. Jamaican dollars.
Just for say, hey, I'm have to prove.
Brother, what do you brother, what do you wipe up my dress and I try push it to the wall? And me I said it has stopped. I mean look at the degree me see wrong there. Could I take it out of the little round case? Cause me no know like it's stuck in there. Me I said,
frame it.
no, brother, my degree is still in that little thing I'm gonna get it with.
You still
My degree but I should though.
you should frame it.
I am. You know what?
You should absolutely frame it.
I need to be proud of that. Because
Yeah,
I University of the West Indies degree
You
too.
still
I don't
have
know.
it, but so
Right?
I'm not like, but yeah, absolutely frame it.
You know, my granny have every brother, my granny can find a report. Brother, my granny laminate me report when my average was 25
Wow.
and put it on the fridge.
Just for, yes, I come from.
Brother, not even every time somebody come at the house, she say, come here, look on this. Look, come.
Granny, a real comedian.
Brother, come, look on this. This, yes, this.
See me?
See me? Yep. Game.
Yeah, man. Idiot from long time, you see him? See?
I couldn't play game on my yard, you know. Video game.
That's that dead.
I have to buy my own TV. Yeah, because game mash up TV. You're not going to mash up my TV with no game.
True. I used to think that was a lie.
That was a lie.
No, it's not. It's not. It doesn't mash it up, but it does affect the TV.
How does a video game affect
All
the
right.
TV?
So the old TVs,
Yeah.
the CRT TVs, right? The big back TV then. My grandfather used to play a game named Dragon Warrior.
Why was your grandfather playing games?
Because that's where I got my nerdiness from. My grandfather was absolutely a nerd. My grandfather had a 200 game Nintendo collection.
Why was he that old and a nerd?
He's been a nerd forever. He's a nerd from younger. Yeah.
Am I nerd from 1902?
Yeah. So he used to play a game named Dragon Warrior. Dragon Warrior 3. Right? I still have like the music burned into my psyche, right? So in the game, it's an RPG, so it's very like menu, especially like an 80s RPG. So it's a lot of menu and text and reading and everything. So there's 2 screens, one at the bottom, one at the top, right? Those screens show like your life, the enemy life, right? Because he played it so much, those screens are burnt into the screen. So you'd turn off the game and like be watching TV and you could see where the menu like you could say like an overlay.
I think I can't play it so much, but think of the TV not good.
No, it's because he played so much. Bro, I don't think you understand how much he used to play that game. Because he played it a lot.
This man have a job?
No, him did retire.
How old was this man?
And Courtney had to be like, he had to be like 80 something.
There was an 80-year-old man playing game in the yard?
Yeah. Constantly.
What the hell? Him
Constantly.
never go blind?
I mean, him did wear glasses.
Jesus Christ.
No one in bun game constantly, bro. And when game drop, so thinking back, I remember 'cause every now and again, it would have crossed my mind and I go, yo, so Courtney did rich. Because how much, bro, I can't imagine how much Super Mario Brothers 3 did cost when it come out. You hear what going with the Meta glasses? Do you have one of those?
Yeah, I have one. I barely use it. I get that from my girl for a gift and
you have the one that have one that have like a little display in it.
No, I don't have that one there.
So apparently they're finding out that the glasses actually all of the recordings is being sent to like a data center in Kenya. And people have just been seeing seeing everybody's things.
In Kenya?
Yeah, some place in Nairobi where like it's a data center where you think you're uploading it like to the cloud. No, it's going to like actual people that's just like watching and training they're helping to train the AI.
And that me can't. This is the AI thing. Because they say it needs so much water and the memory have become a problem right now.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where them find some funny up there. I ain't never heard this shit before. This is some new type of shit.
Some different shit, man. That ain't P.
But me see how Jeff Bezos had the interview idea about.
Yeah. So I'm so upset about it because the clips that I seen, I was like, damn, do I agree with Jeff Bezos?
Oh, I agree with him 100%.
Bro, see him and say, yo, listen, tax me however much you want to tax me. Me paying double in the taxes, that now go help the teacher in Queens.
Brother, with the dog
a different issue.
When the dog a breakdown, the dog say, yo, you tax a teacher where I make $75,000. Her taxes only make up 3% of the government revenue. So you must say, yo, them can find the rest of money there somewhere else. Because you must say, yo, why not don't tax them people that are not all then?
Yeah.
If somebody pays and then find another way for work it. But when we learn, dog, at them level there, when a man say, oh, that man then not pay no tax, it seemed fool to me. Because me employ more than me employ millions of people.
Yeah. So
Me employ millions. What do you mean not pay no tax?
Everybody me employ have to pay tax. I have to pay tax for all of them people there.
And I have to make sure so them have health insurance and I have to make sure so them have benefits and me pay it. What do you mean?
How you think me reach yes so I not pay no tax?
Me rent properties, me have property tax, me pay tax, because I have to pay people.
What only need for ask is where all of the money there go. And that's why everybody need for ask.
No, but remember, them profit margins high as hell.
True.
You know, them billionaires, they are make money. But it's not like, here's the thing. They are legally using the tax code for it benefit them. But he makes some like very good points. Like, wealth in America is dependent upon the state we're in. Like, him used to live, him moved to Miami.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, Jeff Bezos live in Miami now. Elon Musk moved to Miami. Met the Google head office moved to Miami.
Wow.
But
So is Silicon Valley dead?
no, I don't think it's dead. But here's what I think is happening. I think it have something to do with this is just me thinking like madness.
This is your conspiracy
Yeah.
theory.
What are the odds that you guys are moving to where NASA, a lot of NASA stuff, a lot of the launching and everything take place in Florida. Florida have a lot of the Everglades,
Yeah.
which is like water.
Yeah,
They have
swamp,
whole heap of
a lot of-
keys and everything there. If Google a move go there Amazon a move go there.
You think they're finding
So much
water sources that they can
For the
use for
data centers.
I could see that.
For the data center them.
And it might be less of a risk than somewhere like California.
No, it's much cheaper
where-
because just imagine California is at 12% income tax.
Yeah.
Florida is 0.
But also, I mean, it's 0, which that in itself is a reason. But also,
Less regulations.
less like environmental risks.
Less
from,
fire.
You know what I mean? Fires.
I mean, a hurricane
Waves.
is just more water for them.
Yeah, they needed to keep the things cool anyway. That's the, you know what I mean? So, and then you don't have to worry about, God, imagine if normal people are pay high property tax in California, I can't imagine
Wait, he might pay.
what it might pay. You know?
California have the billionaires tax where them tax anybody if your house over $5 billion, you have to pay 5% when you sell the house.
Damn. That's what, 50 mil?
No, if my house,
5%.
say my house value $5 million or 10, 5 or, say the house value 10, 5% of that $10 million there, there's a tax where me have to pay as the seller after I sell the house.
Wow. Wows. Oh man, I'm serious.
So just imagine if me have to pay a man if me can pay a man $35 an hour over here, so, and you tell me so me can pay a man
20.
$17 an hour over there, so.
And get the same level of work. Or better level of work. And find more people.
Population younger.
They're more eager to earn and thing too.
That's why someone, remember in Texas, they turn into like one little Silicon Valley, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, if you're cool, like a minute.
People, maybe Houston, everybody.
Texas still kind of boom a little bit right now. Too.
Everybody gone down there.
Yeah. What about people that are Houston and Dallas and Austin? And I see a lot of the like finance bros moving to Austin.
Here, down in Miami too.
Yeah.
My theory is there has to be a reason why Jeff Bezos all of a sudden just attack up.
Bro, I don't know. Everything just feels so apocalyptic right now.
Bro,
you know what I mean? Like,
bro, them run the place, dog.
yeah, but at the same time, all right. You're a part of the powers that be, essentially.
Bro, everything run through Jeff Bezos, you know.
Everything.
Amazon servers, everything use Amazon.
I don't think.
What else? I think Google not use Amazon servers.
No, I believe them have them. But let's see.
Oracle is which one?
How many? Oracle?
Or them have them own servers?
I think Oracle might have their own servers. But which companies? I think we did look up this one time. What companies use AWS? We did look up this. Amazon Web Services, our customers and partners. Can we find a list?
A lot of businesses use Amazon servers.
Like, I don't think people understand how much companies use it. Netflix, Twitch, LinkedIn, Facebook, ESPN, Pfizer, Walt Disney, Johnson & Johnson, General Electric, Airbnb, McDonald's, Epic Games, NASA, Reddit, Pinterest, Kellogg's.
Just call everybody and done.
Bristol Myers Squibb. Who's Bristol Myers?
I don't know. So
they're a $46 billion company. I don't know who they are, but they make $46 billion.
Man, they make $46 billion. Where they I wonder.
They're like,
who them money, man? We make $46 billion.
Yeah, man.
Crazy.
Slack, Dropbox, Spotify, Snapchat, Shopify, Goldman Sachs, American Express, Visa, Barclays, JP Morgan Chase.
Make we just stop.
Warner Brothers, Comcast, HBO, Sony Pictures, Discovery, UMG, Pfizer, Siemens, Healthineers, Electronic Arts, Riot Games, Epic Games, Take-Two Interactive.
They must say X yet. X and Tesla no, and X and Tesla probably have their own servers because they have their own internet.
Oh yeah, me not see them.
All right, so basically, Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk are two of the most powerful man them.
Mm-hmm.
Remember what they are, I think this week or last week, Donald Trump fly go China with all of them on a plane, you know.
Yes.
That is how important these men are, you know.
But also, very risky play, in my opinion. I was like, all of them on a plane one time?
Can you imagine the security?
Bro.
Let me tell you why that would. I'll tell you why we know there is no way nothing would have happened to that.
Yeah.
If that plane go down, the world end.
The world is in complete turmoil. The world is in shambles.
No, not turmoil. The world end. I promise you this. If that plane go down, the world end in a like 5 minutes.
Here's what I've never thought about.
Everybody would have dead. Every bomb I go launch. Every nuclear weapon I go launch.
Do you think that Bezos and Musk and Zuckerberg and them man there, do you think they have plans for a second in command?
Brother, I think of them run everything.
Yeah, but you think them plan for like when if for some reason I were to die,
Yeah.
you're going to...
Definitely. Bro, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, so there's Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg. Who else may I left out? I feel like he's a big four. Bill Gates.
Bill Gates, yeah.
All right. You see them four man there? To me, is Rockefeller, Vanderbilt,
Yeah.
Henry Ford, and Chase, JP Morgan.
Yeah.
This is just the nowadays version
Of
I
them
like
man there.
them man there. Cause one man pioneer social media,
Yeah.
one man pioneer Microsoft, one man pioneer delivery and them thing they like how Vanderbilt hold the railway. That is Amazon right now.
Yeah. Yeah, facts. Because whole heap of store shut down because of Amazon.
Exactly. So when you look on the control that the man them have over the world, the man them run everything, dog. The man them run everything. Me believe Elon must wake up one morning and say, yo, I want Trump be president, you know. So we are gonna just make it up.
I don't disagree with you. Because when Trump won, Elon moved like a him win.
Brother, the man they celebrate with him. Remember, we see Elon Musk sit down in the office, in a president office, you know. Elon Musk son a play with it. This man born in South Africa, you know.
Literal African American.
Exactly.
I mean, the president is trying to make a speech and Elon Musk use the play. I'm like,
brother, Trump
this?
fall out a little bit, you know, and the man make one tweet, you know, I say, Donald Trump is in the Epstein files.
yes.
So just imagine, the man them powerful, dog. All of the man them, Bill Gates, all of the man them, brother. Here's my conspiracy. Me believe, say, me feel like them man is security more than more
Secure than anything else.
more secure than the thing there. I wouldn't surprise. You can't tell me say me have 500 billion and me not own a nuclear weapon.
Oh, no, for sure. I mean, so...
But you will never hear that in about. Me just not see myself I have 500 billion. Because why am I building bunkers if me not have one bomb myself?
I mean, I would think, if you don't have a bomb yourself, you know, for sure your bridging them do, right? Because your bridging is the president. Your bridging control the military. I'm sure some of the generals is like your bridging. The president is your bridging. I'm sure you're cool with.
Brother, I'm sure them have one.
Like for them personal.
Me feel like them have one.
So
for
here's
them personal use.
I think honestly, Elon would be more of a person to have like. I think all of them honestly have stuff where it's like
Nobody have.
even if them for sure we're not gonna know where we are look upon. You know them with it?
There's no way Elon Musk tell me say he must send people go space and Jupiter and Mars and he must make car fly and he must make electric car and Cybertruck and don't have a nuclear weapon.
For sure.
Why? I've never heard this anywhere. Nowhere at all, you know.
I mean, even if it's not but this is what I'm saying, even if it's not a nuclear weapon, I feel like
I
him
feel
would
like
have
him have something more than that.
Yeah, something where it's like, cause we know about nuclear weapon.
Brother,
I feel like him would have a nuclear handgun.
Brother.
Type, you know what I mean? Like something
brother, Elon must probably have all one expecto patronum.
Like this is the real Harry Potter one right here. Like watch this. What? Yeah, it shoots lightning.
This, brother, that's no. You're gonna link Jeff Bezos one day, brother. You're frig.
Brother, remember I watched the
When I'm saying that Game of Thrones,
what?
when the lion them are, when the dragon them are gonna attack. Dracarys!
Elon Goodley have a dragon.
You might tell you.
Elon Goodley have a dragon, bro.
Fuck round. Man, them come and say Dracarys, and the wall will disappear.
Bro, cause there's things where it's like, me know say if me did have a certain level of power and money and access, me know the things that when me would have want to say and prove.
And them man, I think far than me.
You see what I said? Like I would be like, all right, who have the Ark of the Covenant? Me want to see.
Me want to see.
Bring it right.
Me have 500 billion. Me need to see.
Bring it right.
Because you can't tell me say that lock up and even me can go see that.
No. So who say me can see it? No, I forgot to say that right now. I want to say unicorn. I want to say dragon.
You have to carry one mermaid come show me too.
Facts. Or I might try build one.
I might make one.
You see me?
I might make a mermaid. Brother, you see the video one? I see a video one time when the man them have Bill Gates bought him in a New York eat at McDonald's by himself. I say, yo, why do you think we are eat that? Yo, when I see the video, I say, why do you think Bill Gates is just there eating a mat? You think Bill Gates is...
I don't even think Bill Gates...
Walk up to him. Walk up to him now.
No, go tell him what one.
Go heal him.
Yeah, man. He's just trying to present like he's a normal person.
Go heal him.
Yo, Bill. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. No, man. So, you know, say one clip, with President Trump, like him dip on the golf course and say one girl and she come hug him up. And while him there in him cat, you know, them a drive him round. Mm-hmm. And while him a drive, I just three man with
I cover him up too.
A walk. Them
while
does
him
walk
a drive.
While him a drive. While he's being driven. So I can't imagine what a plane security is there.
You talk about plane? I remember one day I drive a Florida. Pan the me there West Palm, I drive a Florida, brother. And Donald Trump I drive pan the I-95. And within there can be no car in front or behind him for 2 miles.
Wow.
And theme car them is a convoy with about 40 car. All of them look the same. You don't even know which one I'm in.
Wow.
You don't even know which one I'm in.
He's just in one of these. He's in
one of them, yeah.
And for 2 miles, none of the car in front.
Forward or backward.
So there's two.
And Air Force are fly above it. That the man them security down normal. You see when them they make the attempt of him life, the last like the time when him there on him golf course, them block off the whole county on the highway.
The county?
Yeah, it's like how you say LA, nothing now come out of LA county.
Yeah, the whole of LA county block off.
That the man them do. But Florida is kind of easier to do that. Because Florida, everything are north and south for Florida. So basically, the man would have say, all right then. So West Palm start a Hypoluxo. From Hypoluxo all the way up to about 45th Street or what's the name? Just whip, no car. Can go in or out and go all the way west or all the way east.
Wow.
And then catch him. Then catch a man.
Wow.
Then catch a man at Jupiter, which is the next county.
Yo, for have that level, sometimes I wonder like what it must be. Cause that's like a video game level of of resources.
Me
You know?
can't
That's like
enjoy myself.
you have a cheat code level of resources at your disposal where the average person go just never understand. Like if something go on right now, I can just fly in on my plane till that done.
Easily.
And I can have 20 plane round my plane for defend my plane.
At all time.
That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know. It's such a wild concept to think about them level of
Shithousery.
access and resources and them kind of something there. And now for find out say, yeah man,
I would feel so uncomfortable.
and them no you tell me say them people are surveil you all the time. Them are watch you, you think say you just a take video of your family like, oh yeah, let's go to the park and then turn on your glasses and know that them are take your data and send that go somewhere else.
But everybody have our data, you know. You don't find that scary. Everybody have our data, you know.
So here's the trippy part. We give away our data all the time.
Yeah, when you read it, brother, I not read them fine print there, brother.
No, nobody's reading those fine prints.
Dude,
We'll never read them.
watch out. Jeff Bezos said bottom half of America should pay 0 federal income tax. Why is a nurse in Queens making $75,000 a year paying $12,000 in taxes? We shouldn't be asking this nurse in Queens to send money to Washington. I think.
And I'm right. Because the top 50% can pay from the top 1% can pay for everybody.
Yes, but I'm telling you, me and you have the same argument again with capitalism.
Yeah.
Capitalism don't work like that. The top 1% is the reason why the world go round.
Yes.
So
but
what they are paying already is a lot. Now them can pay more.
They can.
But if there is nothing that can mandatorily stop them.
So that is the only issue. The only issue
So
I think
find
is,
a way how to go around it.
I think the issue is that at that level, now it's up to your like ethics and morals, right? Like it's up to whether or not you're a good person with all of those resources. Because there's nothing that can really stop you when you can like assemble your own militia to defend it.
To defend your money.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, a badness, right? It's like you can't have rules and laws, but a badness.
But here when we think people not look into when people think about like taxes and taking money from them, man. You see that $700 billion there where Trump where Elon Musk value and hundreds of million dollars there where like Jeff Bezos value. People now think and realize say it's not a bank account it's
It's a valuation.
Bro, not even is the economy you know.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
That's $700 billion in the economy.
Not all of it though. A good amount of
95% of it.
But
Crooks, remember, let me break it down. Them have buy, borrow, die. So remember, me have stocks. Stocks are when I'm a company.
Yeah.
So the company get the validation.
Yeah.
Now, the funds of the company is basically from the stocks, because these are public companies.
Yeah.
So is the $700 million when we have that people I get paycheck out of that, people health insurance I get pay for, it a pay out of that, you know.
Yeah.
So basically, me have to keep it in there so to keep my company running.
True.
If Elon Musk ever got draw out him $700 billion, you know, the world mash up, you know.
True. All right. Okay, let's ask this. How much liquid cash, liquid money does Elon Musk have?
I got approximate him have maybe 900 million.
When was this?
Elon
Musk says
million.
he has less than $850 million in cash.
How much me say?
900.
All right. You see, man, I eat that, brother. these monies that we're hearing are literally in the economies. It's not like the man them. Brother, you want to see stock market crash and go to nothing? Make Amazon wake up one man because people would have complained and say, yo, why the money have all of the money and this and that because there's a big thing where them say, oh, but them keep the money in a stocks. So why you can't tax them money where in a stocks? But you can't tax the man them money where in the stocks because it keep the stock market going. Remember, no, you were regular year, oh, today the stock market lost 35 billion. Oh, you realize when if stock market lose 35 billion, you know, it accompanies a man, you know, as this is one of the worst days since the depression or the second since 2009 the stock market lose this amount of money and blah blah blah.
Yeah.
So just imagine one day, like just for shits and giggles, how much may I say? What is the most money the stock market ever lost? The stock market ever lost in one day since 1990.
My name said Jeff Bezos' official base salary from Amazon is 81,000 a year.
Good, him don't need no more than that.
It has remained unchanged since 1998. However, because of his 8% stake in Amazon, his annual wealth has increased historically. So the base salary, what Amazon pay him as an employee, is 81,000. His perks and security is
the company pay for that?
1.6 million annually.
During the COVID crash, on May, this is in the world, the US market lose 2 to 3 trillion in value in one single day. That's because all of the billionaire them.
Trillion.
A single company, Nvidia Corporation, reported it lost around 593 billion in market value in one trading day in 2025. Microsoft lost 424 billion in one day.
Wow.
All right. When a man lose them money in a one day, we're talking about crash.
Yes. Full crashings.
If them man they ever say first of all, there is not that much money printed to take.
No, that's not there. I mean, I've always had the conspiracy that enough of them money. Like we say them have the money, but it's really not.
Them have the money, man.
Them have the access to things, and it's valued at this much.
Brother, money no matter to them.
Yeah, I mean at a certain point,
Like
money
the way
really.
we look for money, them not look for money, so dog.
Everything is just how much time. Like, is this worth taking out my card for, or you know what I mean?
I don't feel like them man they financially free and happy. Cause when you get to that level, you don't have that level. You don't.
Financially, I think they're financially free. I don't think they're happy necessarily.
If me have 20 million US,
yeah,
I'm good. I don't have to listen to nobody. I have enough money can set up my put to them forever. But when you start get into billions,
yeah,
you have to keep that in it because now you are talking about stock market. Now your money, now your valuation up crazily every day.
yeah.
If you have $1 million in the stock market, you know that every day you make or lose like 5-6 grand. Every day you make or lose that.
Crazy.
You know, the nothing, you know.
Yeah, it just how the world is flowing.
Just how the world are. So yeah. So you see if you're a billionaire, say you reach 1 billion. Just know say the first day when you reach $1 billion, you might go back a millionaire the next day. And you just go billion until
you get to a point out of that threshold there way.
Exactly.
That fluctuation.
So when people talk about like tax and everything, my conspiracy with Jeff Bezos is I feel like he might play chess right now. He must start talk up from now because not next year on an election. The year after.
When is the
2028.
But the midterms are come up too.
Yeah, me not really know how important the midterms is, honestly. But me feel like him a go start. One, him a go lean. Him conversations are lean very Republican to me.
Do you think him gonna run 2028?
I don't know if him a go run, but me feel like he is, because Elon Musk can never run, you know. And me feel like,
Yeah, 'cause I'm not born in America.
yeah, and me feel like he might not be an imminent threat to Jeff Bezos, but me feel like there is some competition between both of them.
For sure. Especially as somebody that used to be the richest person.
Me don't even think who are the richest are the problem. I just think every man have an agenda. And I just feel like Jeff Bezos' agenda might not be the same as Elon Musk. And Jeff Bezos sit down and sit back and watch everything happen and position himself in a way where I still think as powerful as Elon Musk is, me feel like if Jeff Bezos decide to say, all right, then a time to make shit happen,
I think Jeff could make it happen more
I think Jeff can make it happen more than Elon.
Yeah.
I think if Jeff want to sway, Jeff now have more influence. Elon will never have more influence than Jeff Bezos in America, in Barnia.
Especially as
A white man with Barnia, crazy.
Facts. You know, a extremely wealthy white man born in
A
America.
white man with Barnia.
Yeah, you know, be that. And all of the companies are running through him.
All I'm friend them.
If you ever needed to sway opinion,
Don't make, so that's why I say there is a game I play,
yeah.
a chess move the man do. Why is it that all American billionaires were in the middle of their life, all of a sudden start dress young, get strong, divorce,
I mean, at that point,
and just get cool?
I mean, at that point, you know.
No, but the level of cool where them getting a normal. Jeff Bezos was never so cool.
He mad cool though.
Yes, Jeff Bezos.
I think Jeff is trying to out cool everybody right now at this point. And I think he's
done it.
I think he's the coolest one out of everybody.
Brother, Jeff Bezos and friggin'
Who?
Mark Zuckerberg.
I think Mark still a try to be cool, but I think Mark is so socially awkward.
Yeah, but him not force himself, but brother, Mark Zuckerberg never used to wear Richard Mille and them things.
Oh no. But even him wearing Richard Mille and like being cool to me still feels forced. Like him feel like, all right,
there is an agenda to run, and out of everybody, Mark Zuckerberg and Jeff Bezos are the two most cutthroat businessmen them think in America.
Honestly, yes. But I kind of think Jeff more cutthroat than all of them.
Oh, whoa. Yeah.
I think Jeff.
This man started off selling books.
Yeah, and just say, yo, hey, you see that library bookstore or something there? That dead, you know. Hey, when I sell Pampers I sell?
That
where I
dead.
sell Pampers, that dead. When I sell, where you I sell?
You see
Battery?
you see that mall they where una go? That dead enough.
Yeah, man. Here what all I want to do. All I want to, I can provide a better platform for all I want to sell on the stuff.
And don't have to pay me.
And have to pay me.
And then me, I go take few new stuff them, clone them, and sell them too.
And then every time them search for your thing, my thing is going to pop up first. Amazon
first.
Basics, toilet paper, Amazon Basics, everything.
All right. See, supermarket,
Yeah, man.
Walmart,
Man.
what's a style here? Amazon Fresh.
Amazon Fresh. As a matter of fact, that two bossy phone, no? You know, Whole Foods, we have Whole Foods too. You see me, I say?
We are going at everything.
Well, we're like everything. And all I want to think, I feel run through food.
Right,
anyway.
USPS, I'm just say 3-day delivery
Yeah,
tomorrow.
man, we can get you. As a matter of fact,
No.
what time now?
If you
we have
before 10
somebody on
o'clock,
the road right now, you know. We can bring
before 10 o'clock, you're getting it tonight.
tonight. Brother, when I see somebody by there like, oh yeah, if you order in the next 20 minutes, they can bring it to you by 8 o'clock.
20
tomorrow
minutes and you
morning.
get it by 8.
It's like, wow, really? It's like, yeah, somebody have it on the truck right now. You just come right now.
If you want it, you get it right now.
As a matter of fact, then we take a picture for sure, say it drop at your door.
So just imagine like that is how serious the man them is with them business. Same thing with Facebook. All right. What you say, you like reels? Not even, when did you have start this? What you say? What you say, high five?
Let's say like,
MySpace? Tag?
Okay.
Facebook.
All right, so we have something like that. We're gonna make something like that.
We're gonna make something for just picture alone. You know what? Vine a go on like them too. Vine again, what, 6 seconds? We're gonna make Facebook 15.
15 seconds. Mad. As a matter of fact. Oh, y'all doing YouTube and thing now too? All right, here we go.
1 minute.
We're gonna give you a minute. As a matter of fact, when you can get like 10. Can give you 10 minutes.
If you know what?
Can give you 10 minutes.
As a matter of fact, I don't even like it. Because if we are be honest, you know, the Reels format was really Instagram, you know. Facebook, buy Instagram, you know.
Yeah, they bought Instagram.
Facebook, buy Instagram.
No. The Reels format. Facebook bought Instagram, but the Reels format is actually TikTok.
It wasn't even named TikTok.
It was
Musically.
Yes. And it was like, yeah, this is going great. But we'll want that style.
But guess what? The Reels format is not TikTok, is Vine.
No, it's just a longer, but that's what I'm saying.
It's the size of the dimensions of the video change now.
Yeah.
That is nothing else. It still used to always be that.
True.
It's the dimensions of the video change.
True.
When it changed from 16:4 to 1920 to 16:9. Yeah. 16:9 that changed everything.
Yeah.
When video start become that format there.
Bro, I remember when it became a thing where everybody was like, we need to start investing more in vertical videos. I was like, wow, is this where we are? Are we really changing? It's like, yeah, we need platforms that does the vertical videos.
Yeah, that's because one time video was just landscape.
Yeah, you could like it would be weird to have a vertical video.
Instagram used to only have square.
Yes.
Video.
It was only squares.
Yeah, my legendary videos were square videos.
Remember, you know, I sell Snapchat never want to sell them, you know.
And the man them got bill.
And the man them say, yeah, stories.
So you know, so the little thing on the side there, me don't know why you tell
What is that? What is that
brother,
from?
me not lie, me just look on it and just look. Me not interested in that yet.
Because what is that even for? Why are they doing that? And you know what I noticed? Instagram took from me recently. You know, so I can't make a channel. You know, like the broadcast channel to like, I can't make one that is not for subscribers only. Like them lock mine to subscribers. I don't know what me do them.
How that?
No. Like if I was to try right now, they're like, yeah, it's only for you can only make it to subscribers. So if I make a channel right now, you have to pay for join it. I don't know why. But them give me instance though.
Me didn't even use that.
I'm not using the word for why would I want to just click on people picture for 1 second.
It is so man them buy WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
Man them buy WhatsApp. Man them open threads to compete with X. Don't brother.
Hey, Threads, yo.
Hey, buddy, no.
Dog, Threads, buddy, no.
He got me.
Yo.
Hey, guys, add me on Threads, okay?
Yo, I used to hate on Threads.
I used to shit on Threads.
It was like,
I used to shit on
I never
Threads.
sign up for this, so I just put up on Threads.
Threads is, I love it.
Threads are shot.
I love it.
Threads are shot.
Like it's literally, me feel like it's a hidden thing though. Like me feel like people not onto it yet. How good it is.
So I think the people that use it. So that's why it give me a vibe like Twitter.
Me feel special.
Cause like the people that will use it. Remember when Twitter was like a cool place where if you use it, you use it.
If you're not cool, Twitter was really like where the cool kids were.
Fully cool kids. You know what I mean? Like I remember when Twitter didn't even really do picture and video on them.
I just write.
Just writing. So if you never have like something cool to say.
2 Twitter account. I did have a Twitter account in 2008.
Yeah.
And then I opened one in 2011. Can I forget the password from 2008?
I think mine, the one that I have now is still from 2008.
Yeah, mine are 2011.
Okay.
On my Twitter page, there must like 25K. And not a whole heap of Twitter.
Bro, Twitter. I think it's different to get people to follow you on Twitter. Like I feel like when people follow you up on Twitter,
you have some real influence.
Them really rate you.
When I'm on,
Can't like them a text you know. I like them. I text you directly to your phone. Like I think the level of connectivity that I don't think it's like that respected now, but what it used to be, it's like, yeah, you can just tweet 50 cents right now if you feel like it.
And there's, hey, 50
cents. A
cents.
seat.
But that is the world we live in right now, dog. How much things change. But Jesus Christ. You know?
Oh, crazy, man.
Why people are open to enjoying themselves, you know? Jesus Christ, the month done.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Bro, the year I run through, man.
I'm coming to San Diego.
San Diego, when you in San Diego?
I go San Diego next week.
Have some people's at San Diego and I mean for follow out there.
Tell them I drive. I drive go there. It's a 2-hour drive, right?
Yeah.
It's a 7 o'clock show, 2-hour drive. You know, me have to leave away from all 3 o'clock because where is the traffic to go San Diego? It's really that 405, you know.
Yeah, it's really 405. But I would say Jaja, you might have to let out all earlier, you know.
No man, once me not gonna see no traffic on the 405 2 o'clock going south.
Oh yeah, true.
If work time catch me now, it's over.
Yeah. San Diego's a nice drive though.
Yeah, people tell me about it. I go see what it is like, you know.
You've never driven there before?
No, me never go San Diego before.
San Diego's nice, man. Like I like to. I always talk about Mission Bay. I like drive past Mission Bay. Them always a jet ski and thing out there. Whenever the sun, like if you're out there by like sunset time, the sun hit the water really nice. And it's like people out there jet skiing with them family and thing. Look really cool. It's beautiful out there in San Diego. Quiet, you know, but it's cool.
Well, I'm gonna be out there. And then me have Atlanta. Atlanta, very big deal, very big show. Yeah, Atlanta.
It's Yale.
I know Atlanta go nice. But at July, that's still.
Okay.
So may I get a little bird. So people, hey, make sure you send a like, share, comment, subscripts. Because we're out of here.
You see me?
Peace Punch, Captain Crunch, and Punch Piece, and Driffy Beast. Hey, it kind of work. It kind of work.
It worked that time then.